So hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture I am going to show how we can integrate the SonarQube with the Jenkins through the pipeline scripting. We will write the declarative scripting and then we will integrate the Jenkins with the SonarQube server. And we will see the report when we will run the Jenkins pipeline. Going with that, we need the two plugins. First is the plugin. This is the SonarQube plugin. So if I go and see the install plugin, I can see the Sonar plugin is there. So Sonar Quality Gate plugin and the Sonar scanner for the Jenkins is installed. Alright, so second thing is that we'll go to the Manage Jenkins. Under the Manage Jenkins, we need to provide the system configuration for the SonarQube server. We need to add the SonarQube server. Okay, so if you go and see here, the SonarQube server setting is there. I check the environmental variables. The SonarQube server name is the Sonar server, and this is the server URL where we are running. And this is secret text. We have created the one token and we have added here in the Jenkins. Let me go back and create a new job. So I'm going to create a new job. So run. Okay, this is the job which we are running. So I will select the pipeline as of this time and click on the OK. Now here we have the general configuration is there. This is the git and build trigger and everything. So if you scroll down, you can see the pipeline is there. So here we need to provide the pipeline script. So we will write the script here, and to check the script, I'll take the sample script. So as of now, I'm going to take the GitHub plus the maven script. So this is the GitHub plus the maven script is there. Now let me remove this post command. So I don't want the post command here, and these are to run for the maven if you are running on the Unix. So I'll comment out. We are running on the Windows, so I'll take this. Thing is that we need to provide the steps for the git. Step is that we need to provide the checkout. Okay, we need to check out the code from the git. So for that we will take the help of the pipeline syntax. So right click on this and open in the new tab, and here we need to select the steps. So here I'm going to select the git. This is the git, and you need to provide the git repository URL. Okay, so I'll select this URL. So this is the git repository URL. This is the master branch, and if you have the credentials, you can provide the credentials, otherwise leave it. What I'm going to generate the pipeline script. So this is the pipeline script which I'm going to use. So I'll copy this one and I'll paste it here. So you can see this is the git checkout URL is there. I'm going to remove this code. So first let me save this code. So let me explain this pipeline. The pipeline will start with the keyword name is the pipeline, and agent will be the NA, and the tools will be the maven, and this is the stages. Under there we need to provide this stage 1. So first let me provide the step as the checkout. So I'm going to apply and save. Now build now this job. So this job will check out the code. So if you see here, you can see the console output. Here we are not getting this maven is properly done. So MVN is not configured. This is the maven which is not configured properly. Now how we can fix this error? If you are getting this error, let's go back to the dashboard, go back to the job, and now configure the job. Now here we need to provide the maven path. So in our systems we have already set up the maven. So if you go to the Manage Jenkins, under the Manage Jenkins, if you go to the tools, under the tools, you will see the maven is there. So this is the maven installation. So what is the name of this maven is maven. So you copy just the name, come here, and now here you need to provide the maven. Okay, we have provided the name as a maven. Apply and save. Now again, run the job. Now this time job is running. So let me go to the console. So running the Jenkins job. This is the stages is running. Updated the pom.xml file. This is the checkout is done. So now you can see the checkout is done. So pipeline executed successfully. So if you want to see the pipeline overview, you can see here. The tool is installed. Checkout code is done. These are the pipeline which is done. And if I go back here, also you can see the pipeline console is there. So from the pipeline console, you can check the stages. Checkout code is done. This is the maven configuration is done. Everything is done. And along with that, we need to provide some more steps. So I'll go to the configuration part. I'll go to the job. Under the tools, I need to provide the JDK. Otherwise, it will take the by default JDK. So I'll provide the JDK. So you type the keyword JDK, then go to the tools. Under the tools, you have already set up the JDK. So I'll go to the JDK, and what is the name of JDK is the Java. So you can provide the JDK name as a Java. Now there is the one step. This is the one step we have. Stage we have. Now we need to add the one more stage. So I'll copy this stage and I'll add it here. This is the one more stage we have added. So I will provide this stage name is build and analysis. So under there we need to do the SonarQube analysis. So the Windows, which is the command, we are using the bat. Then the double quote, in the double quote, let me run maven command. So I'll add the ambient clean install then sonar:* sonar. So this is the command we need to provide here. Now apply and save. Now let's run the job. So the job 3 will be automatically created. So this is the running. So if I go back to the pipeline overview, so you can see the tool is installed. Now the checkout code is done. Now the build and analysis will be going on. So if I go to the console, I can see the output. So Windows batch script is running. So you can see this is scanning the project. For that I'll go back to the SonarQube server, and if you're going to refresh, you can see 13 minutes ago it is done. So we need to see the latest scanning report here. Okay, so the job is running, build and analysis is done. So I'll click on this one. If you want to see the overview, you can see the build and analysis is going on. If you click on this one, it will take you to the console. Okay, so the job is run. So if I go back and see the overview, so this is job is done successfully. So if I go back to this job, you can see the job is run successfully. This is the pipeline job which executed successfully. If I go and see the pipeline overview, you can see first it is install the tool, then it check out the code, then it's build the code and perform the analysis of the code. If I click on this one, I should get the link from where I can directly click on the analysis. So you can see the analysis is successful. I click on this link. So I can see the last analysis 1 minute ago. And if I go and refresh here, you can see this is the done. So last minute ago is done. So this is the way by which we can perform the SonarQube analysis by using the Jenkins pipeline. So let me go back to see the pipeline again. So I'll go to the configuration part. So let me explain again. First, it will start with the pipeline keyword. Then we have the agent is there. Now we have added the 2 tools. First is the maven, second is the JDK. So if you don't know how to integrate the maven and the JDK, you can watch the previous videos. Then we have added the stages. So stage 1 is the check out the code. So we just check out the code, and then we have the stage 2 build and analysis. So in the build and analysis, we just run the maven ambient clean install job, and then our job is started.